Boom. So this is how to fix Hello Talk app not working or not opening problem. So first of all, go to your phone menu and try to search for settings app. Just tap on it. So after that, tap on apps and notification or apps and preference. After tapping on it, tap on the see apps or app list. So after tapping on it, what you have to do is to search for the Hello Talk app. And in this video, I'm going to use this demo app to replace the Hello Talk app. So just tap on it if you find the Hello Talk app. Then tap on first stop, tap on OK, tap on notification, make sure it's toggled on. After that, tap on storage and cache, make sure the cache is cleared and also the storage is also cleared, which is really important. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other device and tap on background data, make sure it's turned on. After that, tap on the permissions, make sure every permission is allowed. After doing this, check for the update on Google Play Store. After updating it, tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK and everything is going to work successfully. See you in my next video. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Bye.